Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. The package just arrived a few minutes ago. No idea what we got here. Oh, okay. That was fast. I did not expect that here today and now. This is going to be absolutely beautiful. This is from the same company that I got that security light from recently. They have a 16-pack of solar path lights. And I am going to put these along our new garden fence line. And yay! They are going to be really, really nice looking over there. So, a 16-pack, imagine that. So we'll be able to run them along the whole fence line. It's going to be beautiful. Yay! Let's see what we got here. Oh, they're neat looking. There's your solar cell on top. Let me see. I gotta see how to open that. I'll be right back. So they twist and open, and here's your on-off button. Let me see how that looks. Probably not going to see much in the daytime. I think they're going to be pretty. Well, I'm going to go ahead and get these out in the garden in a pathway, and we'll let them charge up throughout the day, and we'll see how they look. Alright guys, we're going to set this up. I don't know if you can see my... There we go. We got a tape measure on the ground, and we're going to set these up 3 feet from the fence line. Michelle, what y'all have you do is hand me a light, and one of these and one of these. Thank you. And we'll do it like this. We'll put this in here. And I'm going to go ahead and tap this into the ground because the ground is sort of dry right now. Make sure that's on. I think that's the one I turned on, yes. And there is one. And then I'm going to measure every 4 feet apart. So this is all perfect and beautiful. We'll come out to 3 foot here. And I know that's this is 8 feet from here to here. Let me put that right on the edge there. So, let me see what we got from here to here. I want to make sure we space these out beautiful. Make them look really, really nice. Michelle, can you grab that tape? Grab the tape measure. You got to empty your hands. Put them down. Grab the tape measure and hold it up to there. Hold it to there. Yep. Oh yeah, perfectly. That's 8 feet. Alright, so, give me a stake, please.
Daddy?
Give me the stake. Alright, that goes in here. Oops.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll get that one. Oops, I gotta turn it on.
Oh, Daddy.
Ah. Hi, on. Here, slide this over a little. Let's come over 2 feet, or 4 feet, I mean, right here. And come out 3 feet. This is gonna look really nice. All right, give me a stake. All right, and a light. Turn it on. And we'll continue on down the fence line and get them all in there. Now I bet we back in a little bit and see how they look. Good morning, everybody. I've gone and you saw me install these on this side of the fence. And I've gone ahead and installed the rest. All the way down the fence line. This is gonna be so pretty. All the way to the end. Now it's early morning. The sun is just coming up and just hitting the solar panels, so they'll have all day to charge up. This is gonna be incredibly pretty when I'm done. I really think they're gonna fit in along this fence line beautifully. Well, let's see what it looks like at night. Well, there's our garden path lights along our fence line. I can see a lot better than what you can see on the camera right now. I can see the fence line, and I can see light around each of these lamps. They are pretty in the dark. They are really pretty out here. And they light up a little round area around them. There you can see it. Really gotta trick the camera into showing what I can see. But they're really pretty at night. I like it. What happens when I zoom? Yeah, look at that. Isn't that nice? I like that. They're really nice. So I get a nice warm glow. And I can see the light under each one. There they are, the whole row of them. I got them all put down there. Way back there you can see a brighter light, one of my security lights, but they are pretty. I like it. Let me get a different angle. And there you can see some previous lights I have on the fence. But yeah, I can see way better around them with the camera. But you can see nice pretty little row, all nice and neat out there. It's really turning out nice here this year. And those lights really make it add to the effect. That middle spot is our rose arbor. And there's half on the one side over here to the right. And the other half, 8 of them on the side to the left. Hope I can get that to show on camera. Look at all that lights up around that. It's really much brighter than what the camera is showing. There we go. I gotta hold that camera right down there to see. That's what I'm seeing. It's really got a nice little round, almost a squarish actually, pattern of light around it. See how bright it is? Around that. And comes out, about a foot to 16 inches on either side, on all 4 sides of the lamp. So, pretty cool. And then there's this weird square pattern underneath of holes. But there gives you an idea. Oops, I had it for a second there. There you go. Pretty nice. I like them. Good morning. Well, it was a dark and cloudy day yesterday, and amazingly, they're all still lit. This is the next morning. Even that one is dim, but lit. Most of them, though, are full bright. There's another dim one, but there's only 3 dim. Now, this was a dark day. There was no sunlight at all. And I know a lot of people are going to be asking this, if they'll make it through the night. Well, it rained on and off all day. And there they are, making it through the night. I'm surprised. It wasn't a dark day, but it was cloudy. But they got enough charge. They have a decent enough solar panel, I guess. Well, guys, they are perfect right here for our property, right along our garden fence line. They look good in the day. Can't see my camera at all. The sun is bright. They look good in the day, and they look good at night. I am liking them. So, I mean, it's perfect. I like something that looks good in the day and the night, so we can enjoy them all the time. And it adds a neat little look to our fence line. Now, at night, you can see the light perfectly as you can in the day. You can actually see the pattern, which is really nice. The camera doesn't do it justice at all. But at night, you can see every one of these. It's so beautiful. And a nice glow coming out of them. And I tried as good as I could to show you the light on the ground around them. They light up this row here. So, very, very good. There is only one weak point, to be honest, is the stems. And you may have noticed when I installed them, I put the stake in the ground first, tap it with a rubber mallet or a piece of wood like I did gently, put them down, position where you want, and then put the middle stems on, and then put the light on top. By the way, turn them all on before you put them up. So otherwise, you'll be surprised the next morning when they don't turn on. But that's the only thing that you could damage if you're not careful. But other than that, they are pretty. I like them. Check out the links down below and get yourself some 16 lights and a pack. It's perfect for right here. Absolutely perfect for this. Please like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Never know what's coming to the off-grid homestead tomorrow. Talk to you all later.